Is your diaper bag a bottomless pit of crushed cookies, sticky bottles, and mysteriously wet baby socks? Oh girl, same. Meanwhile, your baby's crying, your shoulders are breaking, and you just found a banana from last week. These 5 diaper bag disasters are not just messy, they're silently sabotaging your sanity and your baby's comfort. Chapter 1. The everything but the kitchen sink. New moms tend to overpack their diaper bags because they're afraid of being unprepared. I totally get it. The fear of not having that one thing when your baby is screaming is real. But here's the truth. Overpacking leads to clutter, mess, and chaos that makes it harder to find what you really need. This problem doesn't just make your life stressful, it can also be harmful. Bottles can leak onto clothes, clean pacifiers can get lost in the diaper abyss, and heavy bags can cause shoulder and back strain. Trust me, that back pain won't magically disappear overnight. Solution: let's simplify smartly. Here's how. Follow the 2-hour rule. Only pack what your baby needs for the next 2 to 3 hours. This includes 2 to 3 diapers, travel size wipes pack, 1 outfit change, 1 to 2 small toys, teethers, pre-filled bottle or formula dispenser in a separate leak-proof pouch. Nursing cover. If breastfeeding, use organizer pouches. Instead of dumping everything into one bottomless bag, divide and conquer. A clear pouch for feeding, a mesh one for diapering, a waterproof pouch for dirty clothes, a mini first aid essentials pouch. Pack miniature sizes. Use travel-size containers and baby-safe refillable bottles for lotions, sanitizer, diaper cream, etc. Always label them clearly. Rotate weekly. Check your bag contents weekly to remove what you didn't use and restock with fresh necessities. Must-have products to include strategically: organizer pouches with see-through windows or labeled tabs, foldable changing mat, lightweight and wipeable, refillable silicone bottles for creams, travel-sized baby wipes and hand sanitizer, lightweight ergonomic diaper bag backpack to ease back strain. Keep in mind, moms, every extra item adds weight and clutter. You're not packing for a vacation. You're prepping for a few hours. Keep it lean, light, and logical. Chapter 2. The black hole bag mistake. You know the feeling? You open your diaper bag and suddenly it's like falling into a black hole. Everything disappears into a pile of diapers, crumbs, and crushed snacks. This usually happens when moms use bags that are too deep or lack interior structure. And the impact is more than just frustration. Digging around wastes time during critical moments, like a diaper blowout in a public restroom. And worse, unsecured items like snacks and creams get crushed, leaking onto clothes or getting contaminated. Solution: time to add structure to your bag. Tip 1. Choose the right diaper bag. Get one with built-in compartments and zippered sections. Backpack style is best for posture and hands-free movement. Avoid oversized totes with no shape. Those become black holes fast. Tip 2. Color code by category. Use color-coded or labeled pouches for food, hygiene, clothes, and toys. This lets you grab exactly what you need fast. Tip 3. Pack vertically, not horizontally. Stack items upright so they're visible when you unzip. Put the most used items at the top, like wipes and pacifiers. Tip 4. Create a quick grab outer pocket. Store your phone, keys, and wallet here. Add a small pack of wipes and sanitizer for quick hand cleans too. Must-have products to include: strategically, diaper bag with top-loading compartments or wide-mouth zippered opening. Color-coded wet-dry pouches. Small stackable formula dispensers. Clear zip bags for snacks and baby meds. Keyring clips or magnetic closures for faster access. Mom hack alert: you don't need to dump your whole bag out every time. Pack with intention and structure, and you'll cut your stress in half. Chapter 3. The emergency essentials nowhere in sight mistake. You're out shopping or at the park, and suddenly, bam, a diaper blowout. Or maybe baby spits up all over your shirt. Or perhaps it's an unexpected fever or scraped knee. Emergencies happen when you least expect them, and the real problem? Most moms don't have a designated spot for emergency items in their diaper bag. Instead, emergency supplies like baby meds, thermometer strips, extra clothes, or stain wipes are buried deep under toys or snacks. In those critical, panic-inducing moments, wasting even a minute searching can feel like forever. And let's be honest, when baby's upset, so are you. Stress doubles, patience wears thin, and you're left flustered and anxious. Solution: let's create a dedicated emergency pocket that's easy to reach every single time. Here's how. Tip 1. Designate a specific section in your bag. Use either the front pocket or a brightly colored zip pouch just for emergencies. This should never be mixed with everyday items. Tip 2. Pack these must-have emergency items: mini baby safe thermometer or forehead strips, infant fever reducer, pre-measured if liquid, always check expiration, travel size diaper rash cream, one sealed change of baby clothes in a Ziploc, onesie, pants, socks, one spare t-shirt for mom, yes, really, travel stain wipes for you and baby, tiny first aid kit, bandages, antiseptic wipes, baby safe bug balm, mini pack of sanitizing wipes. Tip 3. Always refill after use. Used a diaper cream or baby tea. Refill ASAP when you get home. It's easy to forget, and that's exactly when the next emergency hits. Tip 4. Use clear or labeled pouches. A pouch that says emergency kit or has a bright color will train your brain to spot it instantly when you need it most. This setup is all about giving yourself peace of mind, mama. Emergencies are bound to happen, but when you're prepared, you stay calm and in control. And your baby, they'll feel that energy from you too. Strong. Chapter 4. The Snack Explosion, Chaos. Let's talk about snacks, mama. Because if your little one is anything like most babies or toddlers, snack time is survival time. But here's what many moms don't realize. Tossing snacks into the diaper bag without a plan is asking for disaster. Picture this. A half-opened bag of puffs spills all over a spare onesie, mashed banana oozes in the bottle compartment, or sticky teether biscuits melt into the lining. Ugh, not only is this gross, but it's unsanitary, and you could be unknowingly feeding your baby food that's been sitting open and unprotected in a warm, bacteria-loving environment. Solution: let's turn snack chaos into snack sanity. Here's a smart, mess-free system every mom needs. Tip 1. The snack-only zone. Dedicate one entire pouch or pocket to feeding-related items only. This helps avoid cross-contamination with diapers, wipes, and meds. Tip 2. Use portion control snack containers. Skip the open bags and try stackable, BPA-free snack towers. You can pre-fill these with different healthy snacks for the day. Think puffs, cut fruit, baby crackers, or formula powder. Bonus, they're leak-proof and portioned. Tip 3. Include a clean placemat or bib. Reusable silicone placemats fold easily and create a clean eating surface anywhere. Restaurant tables, park benches, airport chairs. Add a silicone bib that folds into itself to contain crumbs and messes. Tip 4. Stay cool with insulated snack holders. If you're packing perishables like yogurt, fruit, or breast milk, keep them in a mini insulated sleeve with an ice pack. Warm snacks quickly spoil, and nobody wants to deal with baby tummy troubles on the go. Tip 5. Include cleaning tools. Throw in a travel-size bottle brush, mini dish soap, and antibacterial wipes. After baby snacks on the go, you'll want to clean bottles or snack containers before repacking them. Chapter 5. The mom's needs don't matter mistake. Mamas, let's get real for a sec. When was the last time you packed yourself into the diaper bag? No, not your soul, but your actual needs. Water, snacks, hygiene items. A phone charger? One of the most common and overlooked diaper bag mistakes is forgetting to plan for yourself. And while it might seem selfless to focus solely on baby, the truth is, a tired, dehydrated, hangry, or unprepared mom can't function at her best, and baby feels it too. Neglecting your own comfort isn't just inconvenient, it can be harmful. Skipping hydration affects milk supply. Forgetting your own meds can lead to crashes. Leaving your phone charger means no GPS, no music, and no baby photos. You matter, mama. And your needs deserve a dedicated place inside that diaper bag. Solution: let's reclaim space for you without turning the bag into a suitcase. Here's how to make room for mama. Tip 1. Create a mom zone pocket. Choose an inside zip pocket or a small section of the outer pouch just for your essentials. Think of it as your mini purse within the bag. Tip 2. Pack these mama must-haves. Lip balm, dry lips sneak up on you fast. Hair tie or mini brush, granola bar or protein snack, collapsible water bottle or pre-filled one, mini notepad and pen, because phone notes sometimes fail. Spare nursing pads or sanitary products. Yep, for those just-in-case moments. Phone charger or portable power bank, headphones, even 5 minutes of calm audio can refresh your brain. Tip 3. Use a wristlet or clutch organizer. Place all of the above into a stylish little zippered clutch that fits in your diaper bag and doubles as your grab-and-go mini purse when running in and out of stores or appointments. Tip 4. Make room without the guilt. Don't feel bad reducing one baby toy or extra outfit to fit your items. Your baby doesn't need 5 rattles, but you do need energy, focus, and comfort to care for them. Tip 5. Set a reminder to restock. Just like baby's emergency supplies, your own items need weekly refreshers too. Make it a Sunday night habit. Restock your bar, refill your bottle, charge your power bank.